Hi everybody, hope you're all well. There's me looking out the window again. I always do that, don't I? Yeah, not a lot to see. Here, I'll let you have a look. Not a lot to see. Very quiet today, look. Yeah. Bum 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 bum. Ollie's still in bed, I think. Here, I'll show you, look. Oh no, I woke him up. There he is there, look. He's in the shed. Oh, look at him. He'll be up there following me now. I have to put him in there because he keeps me awake all night now. It's like he's digging a hole in the settee. It's amazing. He's so noisy. He gets on the settee and it's like he's doing somersaults. Right, I wanted to show you this, how far I was getting on with it. Look at that. That's all the earth I've dug out of there, look. Look at it all, look. It's a bleeding nightmare, I tell you. Look. And that bin's full up with cane and stuff. Look. I've got stuff in here. Oh, there's some, and I've hidden it with cardboard. So I'll try and get rid of it all. I know I shouldn't do that, I'm in trouble. You know. I even using a hammer on it. Look at that bloody great thing, look. And I go right up to that, the cage thing. Look. I've got to dig all that out. That's going to take me best part of the day to do this. It's just clinging. It just clings everywhere. Look. It's as solid as anything. What I need is a machine with a big arm on it. Bloody hell. My stomach's a bit bad today. I think I've actually got an allergy with milk. That's what I think it's all down to, which I've had a long time. I'm sitting down now. Yeah, I'm getting old now, aren't I? Ollie, where is he? I thought he'd follow me out. It's very cool here. I don't know what it's like where everyone else is. I prefer it like this, to be honest, but a lot of people don't, do they? See this bloke? That's one of them big old kitchen sinks. That weighs about 100 weight and a half. And when it's been raining and there's water in there, weighs a ton. But I managed to drag it off of there. I broke all that all the way around, look. So I'm going to have to redo that. Knock up a little bit of sand and cement. What a nightmare. Once I've done it, I'm going to leave it open like that and then check nothing else grows. That's a nightmare. Yeah, don't ever plant it. Unless it's your own property and you've got a big field. But look at the grass now, look. Look, the apples all fell off, look. Loads of them. I don't think they're any good. A lot of them got, a lot of them a bit manky, you know what I mean? I suppose I'll cut the bits out and the very small apples up. Maybe cook them up. See, that one there looks good, doesn't it? See the... maybe I could put something... spraying with something to stop all that. But look at them, look. Oh, look at them little ones up there, look. They're small. There's a lot on there, isn't there? That one there looks alright, doesn't it? Oh, there's a good one. I think what I'll do, I'll go around and I'll pick a load that look good. That's a little beauty, that, look. I've still got some on these ones, look. They're a bit hard and tough, these ones. But this one's nice. That's nice. Like that. Hey, Ollie. Let's put this old battery on charge. What we got? Oh, you can't see it. I smashed the light on this. Just give it a bit of a top up. Yeah, right. Excuse me. Bit chesty. Yeah, I got nice message this morning from Chip. Thanks, Chip. Hope to see you soon, mate. He's a good one. Chip Meister. Watch him on YouTube. If you haven't already watched him. He's pretty good. He's pretty good. Be good to see you again, mate. I like the band now. It seems bigger and more powerful, doesn't it? They go faster when you paint them. Mine's in good form at the moment. That flies along, the power. That flies along. But it should do. I've had everything done. I walked by it the other day and I happened to look at the wheels and all the new discs, they're all shiny and that go a lot quicker when you got new discs. Yeah, quite pleased with that old van. Very pleased. Doesn't look much, but I was thinking about Raptor in it. Same sort of paint Chip's got on his. Yeah, maybe I will. Plenty of time on my hands now I'm retired. Right, let's get on with what we've got to do today. I'm back. Change the plan. I was going to do something different today, take you out of the castle or something like that. But I've got to be honest with you, my tummy's a bit whoopy. And I don't feel like driving. That's a dizzy tummy when you've got a bad tummy, isn't it? So we're just going to go next door. I'll take you into the little park. Don't worry about me though, I'm alright, it's just that, just my stomach, you know. I'm almost sure it's a milk allergy. But, I ain't had no milk now for 2 days, so it's getting better and better, but I just don't feel up to it. Hey fella, come on then. We're all ready now, let's have a look. There he is, look. Oh, he's ready for the off. He's ready for the off. Hang on a minute, that's on a bit of a magnifier there, I think. There you go, that's better. There you go, fella. There he is, let's take him out. Oh, you've been out with the Ollie. There we go. Let's put that back on that. I wonder what that means. Oh, sorry, Ollie, he stood on his foot then. Come here, fella. This way. This is the This is where I live. That's my little bungalow from the front. I'm always busy here, always doing stuff. See, I've got a fair old bit of garden there, haven't I? I'm right the way up along the side. This is a little park next door. I bring Holly in here quite a few times a day. There he is, having a scratch. This is all my bit here. Load of rubbish there. I cleared out my mate's garden the other day. It's only a little bit. I don't mind helping people. It's a big old roof rack there, look. That's one of them rhino roof racks. Anyone wants it, make me an offer. Go on top of the big van. Very heavy. All donations welcome. See, you won't have a wee. This is my wall here. Hang on, he is having a wee now, is he? No, he's not. He's having a sniff. Oh, I feel better now. Just I won't drive today. I'll go out tomorrow. Up the castle. He's gonna have a roll now. He can get all the grass fleas now. The old grass is full of them. I think they're called Oriental rat flea. I think that's what they're called. I cut this down the other day. I come round here and cut it down myself because it goes over my wall. Look at it, it's really horrible stuff. You knock the top bricks off. So I keep that cut down. The council don't like it, but F the council. I think they own you, they do. You alright, fella? Yeah, so that's my bit of wall over there, look. My little bungalow. But the cane was going right above that wall, 6 foot higher. And the council told me off. Yeah, they come and told me off. Shouldn't have that there. So that's why I'm digging it out. Plus I like doing stuff. There he goes, he's having a wee wee. I can see a grass flea on him. They're buggers these. There's a load about because there's no rain, you see. As soon as that rains, that'll kill all the fleas. People don't realise. People don't realise. They go to the vets. Just having a good look. They go to the vets. They get them all done. Like I spot on him a couple of days ago now. Well, it must be a week now. But they get it done. But there's still all these fleas on the grass that jump up on them. They will die after so many hours, won't they? Because they've been inoculated. But they're still there for that time. So when I get indoors now, I'll brush him. I've got one of them flea combs. I have about a dozen on him. They like to get up round by his ears, don't they, Ollie? Eh? Oh, they're bloody surge, they are, you know what I mean? Is that the word for it, surge? Bloody nuisance. Listen to me moaning. Yeah, but it's lovely and cool. I love this one. This is the sort I like. Right. Come on in, Ollie. I'm drinking orange now. Very weak orange. Seems to be doing the trick. It's just a cup of tea I have. I have a cup of tea and I put milk in it. Then my stomach plays up straight away. Must be so sensitive. Yeah. Right. I'm afraid there's not a lot to show you. When I feel better, I'll be out in the van. I'll go to the castle up the road. We've got Castle, Borough Castle. Hello. One of them fleas has dropped on Ollie. You can't odds it, Ollie. There you go, look. See? They hop on, don't they, Ollie? We got any on you now? I can see one, look. There's one there, look. Just... let's expand that a bit, and you might be able to see it then. There it is, there. See that? That's a bloody flea, that is. And that jumps off the grass. See it? Yeah, it gets off the grass. It's in my finger now. But they hop on him, and then they... yeah, they hop on him, and then they go and try and find a nice furry bit, which he ain't got. Yeah, they're called an oriental rat flea. So when I get indoors now, I just give him a quick brush with a comb. Oh, there's a good lad. He's having a pull now. This is the most exciting bit. Hey, has anyone noticed? Has anyone noticed that people don't seem to be picking their dog poo up lately? I don't mean you, if you know what I mean. I mean, oh, everywhere you go there's dog poo. People ain't picking it up. I wonder why that is. He's going to hold me now. Wee. Is it society? Why are they doing it? Why won't they pick their dog poo up? Something's happening, isn't it, with England? People are just doing what they like, if you know what I mean. I mean, why would you take your dog out and let it poo all over the place? They walk down the road, people get beat up walking down the road. I mean, you wouldn't think it, would you? All over Facebook something's happening, and you got these doorbells, you see these blokes running away. There's one on there the other day. The lady was in, she filmed them running away. 3 blokes had chucked stones through her windows. But she managed to film it. Why would they do that? I mean, it's a single mother, all on her own. And these, when I say blokes, little kids, 15, 16. Sad, isn't it? They want to kick him, really. But there you go, it's not like the old world, is it? We'd have got slapped round the ear. Well, we wouldn't have done it. We really wouldn't have done it. Cool, he had some formidable older people in them days. They'd come out and clip you around the ear hole. We had an ex-policewoman when I was a kid. You didn't even dare look at her, let alone be cheeky to her. But she wouldn't have lasted 5 minutes nowadays. They would have just smashed all her greenhouse and everything. Right, I'm going to love you and leave you now. I'm starting to waffle now, talk rubbish. A lot of you probably don't agree with me, but the kids are. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's... I don't know. I know there's a hell of a lot of good kids out there. But it's them certain few, innit? Alright then, I'll catch you all later. If you can't be good, be bad.